wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry your head? Eh? Why they pay you say I give my guy something? Eh? Now you come tell me say, sister, you deserve love, fall in love again. This one, that one. Now don't fall for the love. Now you dey complain. Why you dey hate? Why you dey hate my love?
Sister, I'm not hating anything. The way you spend on this guy is too much. You buy him perfume, you buy him clothes, you buy him shoe, you even give him money. It's supposed to be the other way around. He's the one to give you, not the other way around. It's too much.
I don't say you no get sense. You just big grow for nothing. You no get sense. Not be this same you I tell say no get problem for city. He lose the job. That make her come this way, make on a save so small money when go to start business.
Which business? Sister, which business? That your guy looks like an irresponsible young man. He has no business. He's a fortune hunter, a parasite, and a gold digger.
My no gold digger.
Yes.
My no parasite.
Bam.
You dey mad? Come here, come back here. I said come here, sister. You dey crazy. Now you dey talk to like that.
Sister, I know what I'm saying. This guy, he's not useful. The other time you gave him 1 million naira to start up a business, he squandered it, came back and told you story. You believed him. Now, you're giving him iPhone. Jesus Christ. Sister, who does that? iPhone.
I don't see him now saying that jealousy they worry you. All the things when I don't they give you since. Who complain? No. Who complain? Now I carry something to give my love, you begin to complain. Why be your problem? What I give my love? Why you they jealous? You they mad? Chamaka. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. I don't want vex for you. Now my man he be. Anything I won't give him, I go give him.
But that one is not a man.
Chamaka, you they mad? You they crazy? As you run, so just go wash those plates for kitchen. This one day of business, they know they get respect again. And your money I give them.
Okay. You need to eat now, okay? So you can take your medications, right? I'm talking to you. See. I understand your pain. I understand what you are going through. But you are this girl that I know that is so energetic and very strong.
I know strong. Which kind of talk be that one, Oga? I know be strong woman. I know strong at all. Why? Why? Men, why una too wicked like this? Why una mind they una back? Una too wicked. Una wicked. Why? Eh? What did I do now? No, tell me what I do. Any man when just they come, he won't mess me up, he won't chop me, he won't use me play. No, they tell me all those kind of nonsense again. What did I do?
Put down your voice. We're outside. People can hear. See, I understand.
You don't understand anything. Oga, shut up your mouth. What do you understand? No, tell me. What do you understand? No, they tell me that nonsense next time. Men una evil, una be witches and wizards. He full una body. Now you they live my life. You they wear my shoe. You know where they pain me. You know how they do me.
My queen, we want the former to
stop work here in the palace. You know, we want her to have enough time with her fiancé. Onyeka and herself have known themselves for quite a while. And I think they are prepared to consummate their long-time relationship. So if she stops work here, then she will have enough time to plan towards such, you know, a beautiful moment.
Oh no, I am not Ifoma. Ifoma here is old enough to know what she wants. And she can as well speak for herself. If she decides to quit the job, I wouldn't have to force her to stay. It's okay by me if she wants to go.
My queen, you have done well. But what we're saying right now is you help us talk to her. It is unbelievable to me and my family. Because it was Ifoma here that wanted to marry Onyeka at all costs. Right now, I don't understand. Please help us talk to her. Please. Please, my queen. Biko.
Papa, you cannot force me to do what I don't want. Onyeka, please. I'm not interested in any marriage with you. Go and look for someone else.
You see, my queen? You see what we're talking about? Huh. Ifoma. Okay?
Ifoma.
Yes, my queen.
I'm going to ask you a question. And I want you to be honest with me as the queen of this kingdom. You must think clearly and deeply before you respond. Are you interested in marrying this gentleman, Onyeka, seated here, or not?
No, my queen.
My love. What's happening here? Please, my love, no now. No now. Please don't do this to me. Do you want to put me to shame?
Ifoma. Ifoma.
Oh no. Ichi. Who all heard her clearly. Like I rightly said, I am not going to force her into marrying anyone. Ifoma.
Yes, my queen.
I will go with your decision.
Ifoma.
Yes, Onyeka.
I remember very well that you introduced Onyeka to your parents, to your father in particular. And I also was told that you were head over heels with him and that you were prepared to marry him. You were excited at every point in time that he came around. Is there anything you're not telling us? What happened so suddenly that, you know, the glow has turned to charcoal? What happened?
Oh no, I have said my mind, and that is final.
Please, you can go now.
Thank you, my queen.
Oh no. Is there any other thing you want us to talk about?
Ifoma, what is wrong with you? Yes, I know we are doing some kind things with the queen, but that doesn't stop you from getting married. Are you going to marry the queen? Eh? I'm only doing this just because I want to retain my job in this palace. And because of the good pay the queen offers. You know, if I have this kind of opportunity like you, I will grab it. Like, I will grab it. Eh? Husband that is scarce.
See, the queen wants me to stay. And I started disliking Onyeka all of a sudden.
That is because you are doing this with everything in you. You are doing this with all your mind. Why? You should better have a rethink of this, so. Better rethink so you don't regret it.
Amara, see, the truth is I don't feel anything for Onyeka anymore. I don't. And I wish you understand.
Eh? The same Oyeka that you won't let me rest in this palace. The same Oyeka that you always make boast of. It's really bad though. I hope you know what we are doing with the queen is prohibited in this land. I hope you know that.
Please. Can we just forget about this? Please.
See, bro. See, the way I'm looking at these things now, things are not right. Maybe the queen is influencing her.
Don't tell me that. How can you say that? Influencing an adult, stopping her from getting married. Did I flew into this country and this village because of all this rubbish that she's doing? Nnamdi, I flew into this country just to get married to her. Not this nonsense that she's doing. You understand? Why all this nonsense now?
Please, just calm down. You need to calm down, please.
Nnamdi, there is nothing to calm down about. Alright? Listen, a girl that I've been suffering for rejected me in front of everybody and you are telling me to calm down. I'm going crazy right now. Like, I'm losing it, Nnamdi. I'm losing it.
Maybe that's how God wants it. Maybe God don't want you people to get married.
How now? How now? Why now? After everything I've done for her. Why now, Nnamdi? Just tell me why. How? I feel so useless. Like, I feel so useless right now. I'm going crazy. I'm losing it. You are telling me
Please, just calm down, please. You need to take it easy. Okay? We'll see to that. Just calm down.
I will be alright. What's happening?
Hello? Chi? Chizara.
I was actually headed to your meat stand, the market, to get some cow meat. You see, the weather is actually cold and I need to have some pepper soup for me and my lovely Melinda.
Mr. Man, we do not have meat for you, alright? We've seen you. You're driving a car. I mean, one of her cars. But it's okay, you know, we know how these things end up at the end of the day. So, enjoy while it lasts.
No, so. Now you do me this kind thing. Now you hurt me like this.
Please, allow me to handle this. Mr. Man, with all due respect, I want you to leave this location right now because I can't guarantee your safety one more minute.
Chizara, he's the one, huh? I mean, look at who is talking to me. Me, Nonso. It is rather ridiculous. I mean, how? What? I presume he's a new man. Well, I do not care. I don't care.
See, you're pushing. All I can see around you is a little boy with pride.
Oh.
You're really pushing and I would advise you to leave here this minute. I'm not joking. Leave!
A threat?
It's not a threat. I don't threat people. I give it to you the way you want it. Same energy. So leave!
Anyway, I was only trying to be nice to your whatever and yourself. I wanted to patronize and extend my financial support to your little business. However, this is becoming a little bit rude for my liking. And I do not like violence. So I will just walk away, hop in my car, drive away, and buy the meat elsewhere. You understand?
Fine. Beautiful boy. Go.
Of course.
Mm-hmm.
The both of you actually fit each other, huh?
Thank you. We do not need your validations, right? Mr. Man, if you know what is good for you, I want you to leave this location right now because your safety is not guaranteed, right? I do not want to create a scene here, so leave! A threat? Hey! It's okay! It's okay, it's okay! Hey! Can you stop! 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 Hey!
You see they talk? You be fool! You dey grace! Answer me also, you dey mad! Let me do this guy, you dey mad! You dey grace!
What have you done?
Answer me also, let me do this thing! You dey grace! You dey grace also! You don't get conscience, you don't get heart! Answer me, come here, answer me!
You just killed him. Hey. What have you done?
Don't want to have anything to do with you again, please. I'm so sorry.
Babe, please. Please, you can't leave me like that.
Don't you get it?
Babe, the fact that your sister had issues in our relationship has nothing to do with us. I love you so much and you know that I want the best for you.
Marvin, that's not the point. I want to focus, please. And it's not even about... I just don't want to hurt my sister anymore. She's going through a whole lot right now and you're the least in my head.
Babe.
Yes.
But babe, what about the memories, the time we shared together? So it means nothing to you?
Just forget it. Please, I beg you.
Babe, I can't.
Move on, Marvin.
Babe, I can't move on, please. Stop treating me like this.
I really need to go.
Babe, don't do this to me.
Please, can you open the door?
Babe. Babe.
Abigail, please. I beg you, in the name of God. Let's not talk about this right now, please. The only thing in my head is this tough examination and leaving this school. I don't want to have that conversation you're about to have right now.
You're ending things with Marvin just because...
Because I want to. Please, I don't want to have anything to do with Marvin again. I just want to focus on the exam we are writing. And besides, you know how hard it took me to beg my sister and assure her that I will leave Marvin. And that is what I'm sticking to.
Because you want to have your room back.
Abigail, it is not about having my room back. Okay? I am doing this because I want to. I'm done. Yes. Marvin is a great guy, I know. He's great, he's good. And yes, I love him and I will never stop loving him. But I just can't hurt my sister anymore. I mean, I already assured her that I am going to leave Marvin alone. And besides, she's in a lot of pain right now. All because of me and most of her issues too. So I just don't want to add to it. So please, let this case just die down. I beg.
I don't know what else to say. I understand everything.
Don't do. It's fine. It's okay. You don't need to say any other thing. Is there food? That's the most important thing, Brian. I'm hungry.
She's a superwoman. She the hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind.
I have to start going back.
Make sure you come out early tomorrow. Yeah?
Sure, why not?
As you say, you want to learn this work, so make sure.
Are you okay? Hey, Chisam! Are you alright? Help! Wake up! Are you okay? Help! Please! Who is at home? Help! No! Wait now!
Please, give her some time for now, please.
I really love Chamaka and you know that.
understand. You have to understand the state that she is right now. If you love her like you said, please let her be for now.
But why can't I have a conversation with her elder sister? Why?
No. What? Her sister just had a broken relationship with her man now. Talking about this won't make sense to her.
It's alright. Thank you for your time.
It's okay.
Informer, you have to resign from this job today.
Ekene, I'm not going anywhere with you. I'm not going. I'm not going anywhere.
I said you're leaving this palace now.
I will not. What? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you mad? How dare you touch her with your rotten hand? Stupid thing.
You slapped me, Your Highness.
Yes, and I will do worse if you don't disappear from my presence. Look at this cockroach, this nitwit. Look at this rejected offering from the gods. Disappear before I turn you into a cockroach. Guards!
Your Highness, I want my sister to resign from this job now.
Are you still talking to me? Guards!
Yes, my queen.
Bundle this thing out of my sight. Take this rotten human being out of my sight.
It's okay. It's okay. Move it!
Said bundle him.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Move! Move.
Get out. Stupid element. Non-entity. Are you okay? Come sit. Are you hurt? I'm so sorry. Come here, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
So, the queen slapped you. That evil woman.
Papa, this is not ordinary. It is not.
You see, that girl will never smell my house ever again. She refused to stop the work and she refused to marry Onyeka. Ifoma, it's okay. It's okay.
Hey, Papa, I'll be going back to my bees.
Okay.
I have tried my best. Onyeka should learn to move on. That's all I have to say. But trust me, Papa, this is not ordinary. It is not ordinary.
It's alright, my son. No problem. But this is unbelievable. The queen slapped you because of Ifoma.
You're awake.
Do you need something?
What happened?
You fainted. The nurse was here attending to you.
I faint.
Yes, you did. She told me your blood pressure went so high. You need to take proper care, rest, and also forget about the bad experiences you had. See, in times like this, we need you, especially your sister. Please.
I did say you don't go out.
No, I had to stay. There's no one in the house, just you and I.
Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
But you don't chop. You don't chop anything.
No, but I'm fine. I'm okay.
You sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Most importantly is that you're okay, you're well.
Thank you.
She's a superwoman. She dey also scatter. And she's a one of a kind. She's a they hustle. She hustle passing man, she be wife material, no 1 million yes, yeah. CHIZZY say hustler, yeah. She be hustler. Now woman, where hustle passing man, she be hustler. CHIZZY say hustler.
Listen, King Obina, let me tell you. You earn respect. You don't command me, okay? Of course, I know you're my husband, and so you're getting agitated because I blocked your number? No, you should be grateful to my father that I unblocked you. Else, I don't think we'll be having this conversation. No, I am not going to take that from you. Ifeoma, she said she wants to maintain her job, that she is still interested in working here in the palace. Now let me shock you. She confided in me that this man in question is a drug dealer in Dubai or wherever he came from. He's not. He imports what? He sells what? Obina, stop kidding. It is obvious you know this man, Madam Ifeoma. Why don't you go ahead and marry him? Or get him a wife and leave Ifeoma alone. Now let me tell you something. She is not going anywhere. Of course, you will come back and meet her in this house working for me. She's not going and... Fine. I can see you're not interested in having this conversation. Why did you even call me? If you have nothing meaningful to say to me, I am done. I'm done discussing this with you. Call me if you have anything meaningful to say. Good night.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hello. Are you looking for someone?
Yes. Melinda Briggs, Shane.
The name you've called is my woman's name. So I would like to know, is anything the matter?
Well, it's Shane.
You just popped up out of nowhere. You come into our residence and you are asking of my woman, and I demand to know why. Is everything okay?
Anyway, my name is Tan. I just got in the country and I'd like to see her. Anyways, Stan?
I don't think there'll be need for that.
Well then, just let her know I came.
Go. Let me help you. Get out and do not ever come back to this house again. Stupid. What imagine? Just get... Let me see here once again. Idiot. I just got into town and I want to see you, Belinda. Useless.
I'm coming. No, they see me. You get a female cow?
Which one be female cow again?
I be you the seller. Me no know female cow or male cow. Give me female cow. One by female cow.
Female cow? Okay.
You just say that female cow be this? Check and well, check and well. You separate one from Barnabas. You sell for me.
Oh God, this one are 80 years for female cow.
80 years? Like
so,
mama.
How much you go buy this one?
How much? How much?
This one at 10,000.
They collect money. They collect money.
Okay, what's happened?
No, I don't know. Say they collect money. They say if you need meat, you come. They do giveaway. So give me meat. Give me meat. Give me meat.
Okay, I better come for this place.
She's a superwoman. She the hustle scatter, and she's a one of a kind. She's another hustle. She hustle passing man. She be wife material. No 1 million years. She's a hustler. Yeah. She be hustler. Now woman we hustle passing man.
I'm serious.
You mean
Yes, honestly.
Ha. Thank you. Say you like me even when I don't notice Sam.
You're welcome. You're welcome, ma.
Ma. I beg. No, they call me Ma again. I beg.
You're my boss now.
Boss?
Yes.
Me and you will be friends.
All right.
But true, you be better person. You be good person.
Thank you. People say that, but you know, it's good to be good. But I'm happy you're strong now.
Yes. And you don't try. Give me my bag. Make a headache go for.
Allow me to see you. Let me follow you to your house.
Oh, you don't try for me now.
I know. It's okay, ma.
Ma again.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ma.
You see, I know that in a very short time, our king will return back. So, let us leave the queen to her madness for now. Let us ignore her.
We are going to tell the king that she's not fit to be our queen.
Yes.
She's so dirty. Yes. And not only that she's so dirty, she's rude, arrogant. In fact, her insolence is getting on my nerves.
You
see, come to think of it. Imagine a queen slapping our Ono. A queen slapping our Ono. See, for me, I cannot take that. And I will never forgive her for that thing she did. In fact, I'm beginning to think that she's the brain behind Mazi's daughter not getting married. It's possible now. It's not that it's possible. She's the one. She's the brain behind it.
You see, in all this, I want all of us to be patient. You know, I speak with the king every now and then.
And he has promised that immediately he returns, that he will deal with the queen by himself. So let's just be patient.
Patient, Wano?
No, because he trusts us. He believes that while he's away, we can, put the kingdom in check. I mean, from her behavior and everything. But as it is right now, let us be patient. He will come soon.
Oh, no, every time.
No, at this point, I don't even know what to say. The same queen slapped my son. That woman slapped my son in front of his younger sister.
Hello? Can you imagine? Abomination.
Oh, no. I am so weak, I don't even know what to say. Do you know I have lost Onyeka? A good husband. A good husband for my daughter. Oh, no.
Ah!
Your in-law too.
I have lost him.
So sorry about that. So sorry. It touches me, I swear.
Let's
it's
getting late. Let's get
Hey! Oh, you feel me? You feel me?
Someone's at the gate.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Madam.
Who's there?
Now one person no. Now man in be.
Okay, let the person in. Please sit. Please. What do I offer you?
Melinda. So, this was why you divorced me. Let me ask you, how is life after divorce? You know, I was in the country and I thought to check on you. I can see you're fine.
Stand. Stand, please stand. Wait.
Superwoman, she dey hustle scatter, and she say one.
Oh my God.
What's it gonna make you they laugh like this? It's funny.
It's very funny. How can you beat up your headmaster's children and still go to school? Who does that?
Me, I dey do am. You see that time, I know they see any person. I know they look at your face. I stop on die that time. Wait, make I finish this story. If I finish the story for you, I promise you go laugh so till your belly go tear. That man see shake a banza for my hand. If I tell you this story, you get one part where be like say, you go even sit down, begin cry for this man.
And seriously, you're proud of yourself doing this?
Before uncle, what's I gonna use my life do like that?
So what if you get expelled from the school?
Expelled, Guinea. You see that man? I for track him. Then born out when me expel me. That time, I say I stubborn die. Nobody dey use me play. I borrowed die that time. If you see the things, don't be why you can't behave like that? Why they do face like that?
Nothing.
I bet
they give you my gist. As I can't tell you, now so this.
She be wife material, no 1
Marry
million
me.
yes, hustler.
I have found love in you. I found a friend, a mother,
a fighter, a strong woman. I believe we can achieve something new, something great. Please, Chizaram, don't say no to me, please. Please. It took me a lot to do this.
I go marry you.
Are you serious?
Put on now, you want me to change my mind?
No. Ah. You like it?
If I were low.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, you just made me the happiest man on earth.
But this ring, now original be this so. Eh?
Yes, I had to save a lot of money. Lots, little by little, I saved. I had to get you something.
Hey!
Listen to me. I am telling you that I made the worst mistake of my life. Are you not understanding it? Seeing him, everything came rushing down. The emotions, the feelings. I'm just realizing that I still love him. I love him so much. What are you saying? I'm talking about my ex-husband. You're talking about Eric. No. I didn't tell him. I didn't tell Stan. He didn't do anything. He did nothing to me. I can't pinpoint anything that he did wrong. I can't even... He was a good man to me. I don't know. You're asking me what to do. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. All I know is that I still love my ex-husband. I still love my husband. He's not my ex. I still love my husband. I'm confused. What are you saying? You don't understand it, right? Okay.
That's my story. I am sorry I did not tell you this. I'm really sorry.
Wetin come make you leave your wife?
The marriage was not meant to happen in the first place. It was an arranged marriage between my parents and hers. See, I couldn't cope with her ugly behavior. We can make this happen, we can make it great. I've known you, you've known me, you know my house, I know your house. I virtually know everything about you. We've been seeing each other for the past 2 months. See, I believe we can achieve something great henceforth. We can do this, I believe. Just give us a chance. I promise.
Everything just dey happen like saying a film trick. Not only Nollywood film all this kind of thing for the happen. Shey you know, Sha.
I love you.
Jesus! Sister, how was he able to afford this ring? very expensive.
I tell am say na original. I even use my mouth to say na original because you know they see am. I put myself say I no go dey drop my hand for ground again. I say I go dey hold my hand dey waka for road.
Sister, this is a diamond ring.
I ask her say how he take even get the money when he take buy this ring. He say he don save, so he even sell some property. I join take buy am.
He? Just to buy a ring for you? A diamond ring.
You see this hand? You know they go ground again. I saw I go just dey hold and dey waka for it for the past.
Sister, this man must really value you. He got you a diamond ring.
This side is shine.
Hey. And myself, I like him. I like him. He looks so gentle, so calm. And he looks like someone that loves you. Hey!
Oh.
But sister, the question now is, do you love him? I said, do you love him?
Chiamaka. You know, say, I no feel lie for you. The truth be say, I love her. But I dey fear. You know it don't happen to me for the past now. But yes, I love her.
That is all I want to hear. All those ones that is in the past. Forget all those stupid people. They don't know anything. Sister, this one is here to stay. I believe that brother Austin is very genuine. And look at now, he's acting calm. He loves you. He got you a diamond ring.
I'm so happy for you.
We have a wedding to plan.
No, now calm down now. I never reach like that. Why
What are you saying? I'm even about to show you hair vendors on Instagram.
No. He already said some properties stay by this. You know, I don't want body now. You know, say we get meat already for shop, so we'll just measure right.
God
so
forbid.
Cost now.
Sister, look, you have to calm down. You are the bride. Wedding planners, event planners will take care of that.
No, nah.
And you're even supposed to post this ring on Instagram by now.
May what people see? No, you want me to call kidnap me? See, if I walk for road, I feel just they take until they rob like me. Some people they see.
Diamond ring has entered this family finally.
Hey! You will never tell me what to do. This is my house. You won't tell me what to do. What's all this nonsense? What is it? How dare you?
Babe, I am not telling you what to do. I am only asking you to know. At least you would have told me. That's it, nothing more.
To what end? To what end? Why will I tell you? I just said to you that I and Stan were trying to get back together. That's it. So it's better you leave. Get out of my house.
Baby, please. Please, baby, you have to reconsider. I can do anything to make you happy. I swear to God.
Anything? Yes. What can you do? No, tell me, what can you do? The only reason I left you in my house, the only reason I said, listen to me. You are here all because I wanted you to satisfy my sexual desires, that's it. That is the reason, so please, in fact, my ATM card, give it to me, fast.
Baby.
Give me my ATM card, what's wrong with you? Give me my ATM card. Get out. Don't touch me! See, in your entire life, don't you ever try that nonsense again. Don't try to touch me. Are you getting what I'm saying? Don't try to touch me.
Baby, I am only asking you to...
Shut up and leave my own house. Leave my house for me, please. I am done with you. The only reason I allowed you to stay in my life was just because I wanted to ease up the sexual appetite and everything, and you satisfied it. So you leave. Your work is done. So I need you to get out. Get upstairs. Take your things and leave my house.
Baby,
take your things and leave my house. Excuse me, please. Get out.
Baby, please.
Okay, I will do it myself. You don't want to.
Now listen to me.
You need to get the hell out of my... Don't touch me, get out!
Melinda, please, now listen to me. I am begging you. Melinda, baby. Hey! Melinda, you speak. I beg you.
Are you mad?
Please,
Something wrong with
please,
you.
now.
You must really be crazy.
Please.
You must really be crazy. Listen to me. I need you out of my house. Do you get... Leave me alone!
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
Peter!
This is me. Baby, this is...
Come and take this thing out of my house. Don't touch me. Listen to me, if you touch me, I'll get you arrested. Peter, send this nonsense boy out of this house.
They come out. See, madam, no, you don't need to worry yourself, You don't need to you move where. Move there, your eye, the way I take to see you. You come home and has a chop money, you don't get shit for eye.
If you try it, you will sleep in jail. If you try it, you will sleep in jail. Peter, please do your work.
Madam, they go now, they go.
Get out!
Baby, wait, they go. Baby, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I am going back to the village. Please.
Peter, do your work.
Now. Please, please.
Peter! I don't want to see him here again.
You know they come again. Elena, please, it's me. Don't abandon me, please. Don't abandon me. Come. You know the like what I go do you. Put your hammer cutter. Put your hammer cutter. Go in the house. Elena, please. Go your village. See, you don't go like me, oh. Don't fire you.
I know, Uncle. I am very happy for her. Yes, I know. Tomorrow is her birthday, I remember. And I want to get her a special gift. I want to go around the city and get something special, a surprise gift, and give to her. Of course. Thank you, Uncle. Yes, I will. Bye.
No. I think I will go back to her. Yes. After all, she likes me so much. She loves me. By the time she sees me, she will take me back. Yes. I would kneel down. I would kneel down and beg her. I would beg her with my whole life. Yes. Melinda.
Belinda, what is it?
Honey, can we just at least go inside and talk?
Belinda, you know that is not possible. So whatever you have to say, I suggest you say it now and fast. I have somewhere to go.
Sam, I am sorry. I really am. I know that I hurt you. I understand it. But Stan, I am here in all sincerity. I understand and I recognize my faults. Please. I went astray and I know that I went astray. I hurt you. I need us. I need us back. I need you back.
Belinda, stop.
No, I need my
Stop!
I need
Stop!
my husband
Stop!
back. Stan,
Just stop! You cannot just come here and think you can ask for forgiveness and I'll forgive you just like that.
I understand.
Belinda, you hurt me.
I know. And that's why I am sorry, please. I recognize my fault. I am sincerely asking you for this apology, please. I miss you. I miss us. I am sorry. Whatever it is you want me to do, I will do it. I am not ashamed of anything. I just want you back, please. Stanley, please, help. Please, I'm sorry. I am sorry and I mean it. I will never ever hurt you again in this life. I swear on everything that I hold sacred, I will never. I will respect you. I will honor you as my husband. I will do literally everything you ask of me and I will...
No!
Stanley, I am sorry. Please, I mean it.
You hurt me.
Stanley, please. Please, Stanley, please don't do this to us. Please, Stanley, please, I beg you, in the name of God. Stanley, please, don't do this, please.
Hey, Chizaram, what have you done? My brother, we are Chizaram. Hey, Chizaram, what have you done again? Chizaram, what have you done?
Done. What are you?
Today that is your birthday. Chizaram, what have you done?
No, they shout. You get BP. I don't get money to spend for best.
See. What have you done to the king? The king just called me with a hard voice. Chizaram, Bikogini criminal, what have you done again?
Uncle, you know Sabiat. Just leave her. I know where the cake. Eh? Una plan anything? Chamaka. What did you do? Me? I didn't do anything. Yeah?
Chizaram, it's you. What have you done? Yes.
What did I do? Ha! No be Austin.
Yes. I am King Austin Obinna. Ezudon CHIZZY. Awidemili. And beside me is my Onowu.
Yeah, if you see money to rent all these people and motor and everything, you don't start. Now so you wanted to become oga for this meat business. Don't destroy money like that too. Oh yeah, you don't do that. I agree to do on my bed. Oh yeah, give me the cake. Bring her, you don't try. You try, give me the cake.
We are pleased to meet you, our future queen.
Future queen. My sister.
Oh yes, yes. This is reality. Yes.
How?
How sure are you that this girl will bring this water?
My king, let's exercise a little patience. Maybe she's going to come.
What if she didn't come? What do we do?
We'll go and look for where to get water, my king.
Alright. Let's...
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, it's here.
Take. Me na put am. Oh yeah. Who dey pour am? Make I help una pour am. Take. Small, eh? No good me na dey waka for night, eh? Night movement no good. This kind of thing dey happen plenty times.
That's okay.
You don't do?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, thank you.
You welcome, eh? Oh yeah, me na dey go, eh? Na bye, me na small.
So tell me, my brother, how did it go?
It went well. I was able to gather some information. Yes. She's a butcher. Her real name is Precious CHIZZY.
A butcher? Yes.
Who pay for your little handbag? Who's gonna come and go follow her? Ha! I'm the African queen.
Good evening, Your Highness. Good evening, Your Highness. Good evening, Your Highness.
As I entered the club, you see, look, who is this fine girl? This Pepe. And I said, this is the best. What is... Do what is just with no so
Take a minute.
Is this what you go through every day?
My elders.
Your Highness.
I heard you all. And I want to promise you that this year festive period will be one of its kind.
Oh.
And I want to thank you especially for all you've been doing in this kingdom, seeing to the fact that this kingdom will always run smoothly. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Austin! Obinna! Austin!
What is wrong with you?
Eh?
Are you blind?
I want to talk to you.
Your faculty should be able to tell you that I'm in the midst of my kinsmen. I'm having a meeting and you should have called me with some respect.
Kingsman, my freaking foot! Austin, I want to talk to you. Hey! You cacafuegos! Outside!
Are you referring to us?
Get outside! I want to talk to my husband.
Ellen! Stop it! You will do no such thing. Are you mad?
Okay. It is obvious. You people have gathered against me. If you don't leave here now, I will burn down this palace. I will scatter this kingdom.
Abomination!
What a nonsense.
What? Queen, you?
Elder.
I can stand this. Wait, with due respect. In fact, let me go and see my wife.
Okay, get out. Go and see your side chick. Lazy Okenye. Zuzwe, go and see your side chick. Freaking kingsman. Lazy Okenye. Zuzwe.
My queen!
Yes.
With all due respect, you cannot talk to us like this. And you cannot disrespect our king in our presence.
What are you still doing here? Get out. Bundle your stupid self out of my house.
Rubbish.
Rubbish too. Rubbish, okay. Rubbish or no. Oga, where's my smoke? Where is my smoke? Where's my weed?
Shut up. Did you see how you made a fool of yourself? Is this all you can offer?
Really? Igwe, I made a fool of myself. Relax. I'm going to serve you a plate of madness. I promise you, you will enjoy it. Oh, okay. Okay. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Do you want me to scatter your head with this thing? Do I look like a subject? Do you want me to kill you?
You're out of your mind. Do you know what you're doing?
Oh, I know what I'm doing. Where is my weed? Where is my smoke? Before I will scatter your head with this.
Do not do that before me.
And you will not take my smoke away from me. Give me my highness. Oh, guy, you are not going anywhere. Do you think I'm joking? I'm not joking, no. I will forget that you're a king and I will scatter your head with this bottle. Are you mad? Do I look like your subject? You think you can take what belongs to me? Without my consent? Starting when? Abinaya? Austin, starting when? Give me my highness. I am losing it. Give me my smoke. I want to puff. I want to puff. I'm losing it. Give it to me now. Ah!
I will travel to the UK.
Safe travels.
But I just want to travel and fix my late father's properties over there.
Good for you. I mean, you are the only son, so travel and return so you can rule your people.
And I
am not in the mood. Can't you see I'm not interested in whatever you have to say? Please, excuse me.
Thank you for your permission. My king. I found a girl far away from this land.
My king, are you, having another queen?
No. I would rather serve Elena the false letter. But that must have been when I'm very sure that this girl in particular suits what I want.
Well, I pray that the gods be with you on this.
But you must keep this a secret until I call you on phone and tell you about my return.
All right, okay.
I trust you.
My king! My king! My king! You called, is everything okay?
My wife is a lesbian.
What did you just say? You mean your wife is a lesbian? This is unbelievable.
How? I caught her fondling a vulnerable maiden.
This story is like, this is crazy. How? Did they see you?
No. They did not see me. But I have a video evidence. I have it with me. My brother, I am literally shaking right now. My wife, a lesbian. So I was never enough for her. I'm finished. I am dead.
My king, you just have to relax. You're not finished. Please, just calm down. You know what? You have to embark on that mission. Yes, you have to. We have to figure out if she's the right one for you.
This is an answer.
My king, just calm down.
The gods have chosen you to be the queen of this great kingdom, and you have found favor in the sight of our king.
Sorry, I don't understand, everybody, please. You mean my sister, CHIZZY, is going to be the queen of this kingdom?
I began the journey of love. The journey in search of my better half. Searching for the perfect description of the kind of woman I want for myself. Irrespective of her status, her background, educated or not, rich nor poor, I don't care. You know, after that day you helped my guards with the water, I took notice of you. I decided to disguise myself, come to this place to know you more and better. Say, what happened between you and Nonso paved the way for us. Yes, it is destiny.
What nonsense is this?
You are no longer needed in a royal household. In fact, you are no longer needed in the entire kingdom. Sign the divorce papers and leave this kingdom.
Can you just shut up? I didn't ask you any question. Stop talking, you're making noise.
Your days as my queen in this palace is over. Yes. You no longer have right to slap my own, smoke, or practice your lesbianism here.
What are you saying?
You know, I have no grudge about your lifestyle. You can do whatever you want to do with your body and money, but not here any longer. So henceforth, you cease to be my queen.
Can you just... How do you even know? I'm not into lesbianism. Can you just stop? Who is feeding you all these lies?
We know. Please just sign the divorce papers and stop wasting our time.
I've warned you before to shut the fuck up. You need to take off your glasses so you can see clearly. Take this thing
by breaking quiet. Yeah, what did they worry you? You smoke? No, I be here saying you smoke, but this one don't enter psychiatry. You smoke? No, they don't teach you. You don't get sense.
Hello.
No, you don't get sense.
Hello.
Madam.
Sit down there.
Madam. Now me they talk to you now. If you don't do well, I will load you. I will load you against it.
I am not going to sign this rubbish. When you are done with this, you just get out. Shut up.
Sick. You don't get sense. How it be? But then why this idiot? No. Like, why you not tell me? Why you not tell me? Make I carry down my knife or make I put her for this or make I dissect her nana? But then why this idiot now? Talk. Why should I talk to you like that? I don't like that. That's what they do for this place.
Please stop shouting.
No, go tell her.
You are in my palace, right? You will not behave same way with her. That should be a different, right? She is going. I decreed, and that is final.
You sure? Yes. Why should we talk to you like that? You my husband for waiting now. She don't get respect. They don't train her well.
I love what you did.
I go always protect you now, you know now.
That's what I love.
Always defend. Sorry.
Oh no.
Sorry.
That's our call. She's gone.
But this one is too tight now.
You get used to it.
Hi. Wow.
Ifeoma. This is unbelievable. So this was why you refused to leave the palace?
Ifeoma!
Yes, my king.
Where is Ako?
She ran away from the palace.
You should have done same. Now I'll give you this privilege. Go inside, pack everything that belongs to you and leave this palace immediately. Run! Out!
My king, I wonder where this abomination came from. It has never happened before.
This is an abomination. And I will not allow this impunity to stand.
Onyeka, I've been looking for you everywhere. I've been looking for you. Hey.
Former, there won't be any need for that. I heard you've been looking for me, but as you can see, I'm taking my beautiful wife to antenatal.
Wife? Amara? Amara, you?
Yes.
You! Hey! Onyeka, please. Onyeka, please. Even if it's second wife, please take me. I am ready.
See,
Onyeka, please.
See, please, wait. I don't want to be rude to you.
Hey!
Please, stop disgracing yourself in public, okay? As you can see, Onyeka is now my husband. Hey, I don't want to be rude to you. Onyeka, so please, I've heard that you have been looking for him. Please stop looking for him, okay? Okay, so baby, let's go.
Onyeka, please, Onyeka, please. No. Onyeka, please. Onyeka, please. Take me back. I am ready. Onyeka, please. Onyeka, please. Even if it's second wife, Onyeka, please. Onyeka, please. Onyeka.
You're crying. Idiot. Useless girl. Your news has spread throughout the whole village. Huh? Why did she carry you along? Both of you would have left the palace together. Shawu. Akona. See what you've cost your life. Huh? Now you're busy chasing Onyeka up and down. You refuse to listen. You refuse to listen to me, Informer.
Papa, please, I'm sorry.
Papa? Papa?
Papa, please,
That Papa will kill you.
sorry.
That Papa will kill you. I have rejected you long ago. Fool. Go back to your queen. Go back to your queen. Your late mother will be disappointed in you. Huh? Let me see you in this compound again. Now go. Go! I'm off here.
Please.
Don't touch me.
Please. Oh God. What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Where will I go from now? Now my family have rejected me. Oh, Queen has killed me. Oh.
Greetings, Your Highness. You look so good.
I missed you more. Congratulations on your POP.
Thanks so much, sister.
Oh, I'm super.
This is for you, sister. For everything you've done for me. For guiding me through school. For taking care of me. After the suffering, after mom and dad died, he dropped out of school because of me. You made this. You made me. Sister, I am so grateful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you've done for me.
I love you more. It's okay. I am super happy.
Thank you, sister. I can't really thank you enough, sister. Because very soon I'll be going to law school.
Oh.
We are proud of you.
Thank you so much, my king.
We're so proud.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Please.
Thank you.
Tell me. How was your service year?
Sister, it was fine. Just a bit stressful, but it was fine.
Chiamaka is so grown. Young man. I remember you. What's the name again?
My name is Marvin. Marvin.
Is there anything I should know?
Your Majesty, Chiamaka and I wants to get married. I intend to bring my people to come do the needful soon.
Come on, relax. You're not on any chopping block here. There are no knives here. Relax, young man. Honey, please.
Young man, there's no need for further introduction. We know you already. She told us a lot about you. And of course, I want you to relax. Calm down, you're stammering. We don't bite.
Exactly.
You're welcome. You're already family.
We are Easy! Easy, the rights are not yours. It's okay. Please sit. We should just roll out the refreshments, right? Okay, I'll just go.
A woman who will hustle, passing man, she be hustling. She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind. Gisela dey hustle. She hustle passing man. She be wife material. No 1 million years. Yeah. Gisela is a hustler. Yeah. She be hustler. Now woman we hustle passing man. She be hustler. Gisela is a hustler. She be hustler. A woman who will hustle, pass a man. She be hustler.